Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best cameras for vlogging in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Logitech Brio 4K webcam. The Logitech Brio 4K webcam is the perfect tool for any video conferencing need. Its Ultra 4K HD video calling technology allows for crystal clear, lag-free communication. It also features a noise-canceling microphone, so you can be sure that your voice is heard and not lost in the background hustle and bustle. The HD auto light correction ensures that your image remains clear and vibrant, regardless of the lighting conditions. Plus, it has a wide field of view, so you can easily capture your entire workspace. It's also compatible with popular video calling applications such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Voice. So you can easily connect with your colleagues on any device, be it a PC, Mac, laptop, MacBook, or tablet. With the Logitech Brio 4K webcam, you can feel confident knowing that your video calls will be crisp, clear, and lag-free. Pros: Ultra 4K HD video calling. Noise-canceling mic. HD auto light correction. Wide field of view. Works with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Voice, PC/Mac/laptop/MacBook/tablet. Cons: expensive. Not compatible with all devices. Number 2. Our second best pick is Razer Kiyo Streaming Webcam. The Razer Kiyo Streaming Webcam is an all-in-one solution for your streaming, conferencing, and video calling needs. The webcam features a full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, or 720p at 60 frames per second, allowing you to capture every detail of your video. The Razer Kiyo also features a built-in ring light, with adjustable brightness, to provide optimal lighting for your video. The webcam also has a built-in microphone, with noise cancellation technology, to ensure that your audio is crystal clear. The webcam also has autofocus, so you don't have to worry about adjusting the focus manually. The Razer Kiyo is also compatible with Zoom, Teams, and Skype, making it a perfect choice for your conferencing and video calling needs. With the Razer Kiyo, you can be sure that you will always have the best possible video and audio quality for your streaming, conferencing, and video calling needs. Pros: Full HD 1080p 30 fps/720p 60 fps resolution. Built-in ring light with adjustable brightness. Built-in microphone. Autofocus. Works with Zoom, Teams, and Skype for conferencing and video calling. Cons: expensive compared to other webcams. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera. The Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera is a powerful, feature-packed camera that offers professional-grade performance and stunning image quality. With its 24.2MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor, the A6600 is capable of capturing stunningly detailed images with impressive low-light performance, thanks to its Bionz X image processor. It also features a 4D focus system with 425 phase detection points, ensuring fast and accurate autofocus even with moving subjects. Additionally, the A6600 includes in-body 5-axis image stabilization, 4K video recording, a 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD, and a 2.36M OLED electronic viewfinder, making it ideal for capturing both stills and video. With its incredibly fast autofocus, impressive image quality, and versatile features, the Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera is the perfect choice for any professional photographer or videographer. Pros: high-resolution 24.2MP XMR APS-C CMOS sensor. Fast and accurate autofocus system with 425 phase detection AF points. 5-axis and body image stabilization. Long battery life of up to 810 shots per charge. 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. Cons. Expensive compared to other mirrorless cameras. No in-body flash. Limited touchscreen functionality. Limited maximum ISO of 32,000. No dedicated ISO or exposure compensation buttons. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sony RX100 Premium Compact Camera. Sony's RX100 Premium Compact Camera is the perfect choice for those who need a powerful and versatile camera that can fit in the palm of their hand. Boasting a 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and a 20.1 megapixel resolution, this camera is capable of capturing exceptional shots with great clarity and detail. The camera also features a 24 to 200 mm zoom lens with an f/2.8 to 4.5 aperture range, making it great for capturing both wide-angle and telephoto shots. Additionally, the camera has a whopping 315 autofocus points and a fast 0.02 second autofocus speed, allowing you to take advantage of its fast shutter speed and capture moments with ease. With a wide range of features, this camera is sure to meet the needs of any photographer. Pros. Compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and use. High-quality 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor provides excellent image quality. Features a large 24 to 200 mm zoom lens for capturing distant subjects. Features a variety of advanced shooting modes and functions. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to share images and videos. Cons. Limited external flash support. No weather sealing. Limited battery life. Expensive compared to other compact cameras. No 4K video recording. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K digital camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH5S Body 4K digital camera is a powerful 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera that is perfect for capturing stunning images. It features a high-sensitivity MOS sensor and supports 4K UHD 4:2:2 10-bit recording. It also has a 3.2-inch LCD screen and a wide range of other features. With its advanced image processing engines and fast autofocus, you can capture beautiful photos and videos with great clarity and precision. The camera also has dual native ISO sensitivity that allows for better low-light performance. The GH5S also has a rugged body that is resistant to dust and moisture and is designed for use in difficult environments. With its wide range of features, the Panasonic Lumix GH5S is the perfect camera for professionals and enthusiasts that are looking for a powerful and reliable camera. Pros. 10.2 megapixel mirrorless camera with high sensitivity MOS sensor. C4K/4K UHD 4:2:2 10-bit recording. 3.2-inch LCD. High-speed autofocusing. Built-in image stabilization. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Cons. Expensive. No in-body image stabilization. Limited battery life. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.